Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Eliza Tania Agustin. In this video, I will tell you how to cough and sneeze ethics. The first way, cover your nose and mouth with tissue or handkerchief. If there are no tissue, you can use the sleeve in your shirt. Immediately dispose of used tissue in the trash. Wash your hand with a soap, and the last steps, don't forget to wear a mask. That was the correct ethics for coughing and sneezing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.